Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to show you how ProductAI works into SurgeGraph because I just showed you something really quickly in my last video of AI tools breaking news, so I just want to go a little bit deeper into this new feature of SurgeGraph. If you want, obviously, you can find the link in the description. I already talked about SurgeGraph many times on my channel. It has a pretty good deal if you want to commit for 36 months. But again, you can click on the link in the description and check this page by yourself. Let's go inside SurgeGraph. As I showed you last time, now you have this ProductAI feature. You need to activate it separately, and you have three different kinds of article you can generate. Product roundup, for example, best action camera 2023. You have a product review, for example, a review for a specific product, or you have comparison posts. Because this ProductAI is scraping the SERP and scraping Amazon, for example. I want to use the same product I found for my ZimWriter 9 video, if you watched it, and so I want to use this URL. I suppose I can just choose the first part of the URL. So let's go here into this product review. In this case, I want to insert my product URL here. My article title is, or my keyword is this one. So Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation review. Product name is this one. Let's also include this 5th generation here, or we can just call it Amazon Echo Dot. You can also include an Amazon affiliate ID if you have one, because this ProductAI feature is quite good for affiliates, obviously. And now I just need to click on Create a Document. As you can see, SurgeGraph is analyzing the SERP and analyzing specifically my exact product URL I gave. In the meantime, I want to show you that two new features will come very soon into SurgeGraph. One is the bulk writing feature, as you can see here, and the other one is the one-click write, because now you can generate articles really quickly, but they are saying on average it takes you 20 clicks to craft a single article. They will implement a one-click article feature, so it will be even faster to generate articles with SurgeGraph. So now I have to choose some other options. The length of the article, I will stay with this shorter one. I want talking points, table of contents, questions, FAQs, contextual terms. We can leave all these on and generate outline. It's generating my outline. As you can see, I have some topics here, review of the Amazon Echo Dot, specifications, the best Echo on a budget. All these ones are from my competitors, I suppose. I also have a new version of this interface. As you can see, there are many colors now. It's quite good because it's more usable, in my opinion. So this is my outline. I could change it if I want, but let's see. Introduction, product specification table, TLDR summary, key features, enhanced audio quality, compact and sleek design, improved voice recognition, smart home integration, energy monitoring capabilities, the buying guide, and the conclusion with the FAQs. I will say pretty good as an outline. So let's go on, and if you want you can also add more headings, more tables, or anything you want by using these buttons. I suppose I need to click on this Start Writing and choose my creativity, my tone of voice, let's say conversational. Okay, let's be more creative and bring down this readability and start writing. Okay, my article is ready, and as you can see it's quite long, more than 3,000 words. I have just a 25% topic coverage. I don't know why. It's strange because I suppose by giving a URL it will be able to cover this topic very well. Anyway, this is what I have. I also can optimize for SEO with auto optimizer, with questions, links, and so on, but this is not the focus of this video. I just want to see how this ProductAI works. As you can see, has just launched, and we are seeking your feedback for improvement. So I will say it's still in a beta phase. I have a table of content here, an introduction, and again, as always, you can stop the video and read it by yourself if you want, so you can check the quality of this AI writer. I have my specification table with all the technical data for this Echo Dot. I have a TLDR summary. I have a pretty detailed key features section with voice control at your fingertips, music that moves you, stay connected anywhere, get information instantly, endless entertainment options. I have enhanced audio quality. This is pretty long. Compact and sleek design, again pretty long this section. Improved voice recognition. Okay, smart home integration, a super long section, even too long in my opinion. I have energy monitoring capabilities. I have a buying guide. I would prefer to have some H3s, for example, here in this buying guide. It's quite short, but in my opinion it's missing some H3s here. I have a conclusion and I have some FAQs at the end of my article. Again, it's pretty long because I have these long sections here. It's writing in the first person, so this is pretty good. It seems quite good, this article. Again, if you want to read it all, stop this video. It's pretty long, so I will not read this long article, but it seems quite good. Again, it's just launched, this new ProductAI, so I think it can be even better. Now, I could, for example, optimize for SEO. You can also auto-optimize for custom terms with this new feature here. I will not use this auto-optimizer in this specific video because I already showed you how it works, but my focus was really on this ProductAI. Let's try to generate a product roundup, for example. I'm pretty curious, and let's use this keyword as an example. So best action camera 2023. Again, you can autofill with Amazon link. If you want to provide a list of URLs, you can have a suggestion from SERP, or let's say I want to have suggestions from Amazon. Very quickly, I have a list of 10 products about best action camera 2023, and let's try to create even this document. Okay, so now let's go here. Again, I have my products list. I will disable FAQs here, for example. I will disable table of content. We already know how it works. And generate outline. And again, I have my outline. I can edit it. I have an introduction, my different products with a table for each product, I suppose. Then I have my buyer's guide and my conclusion. Here I also have my SERP analysis, so I can see my competitors' H2s and so on, questions and terms, but let's try to write this article. Let's use informative in this case, just for the sake of this example, and let's generate. Here it is, I have my article, a monster article, near to 4,000 words. Even here I only have a 23% topic coverage. Maybe by optimizing for SEO I could improve this. Anyway, top action cameras 2023 capture adventures with the best. I have my introduction. And I also have images, I suppose, taken directly from Amazon for my products, GoPro Hero 12, with my description, and this table with some of these products. I don't think they are all, because they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I have 8 products in this article, but this is interesting. This is my second product with my specification table here. I have another product with my table, and so on until my last product. This is another product and another one, a quick buyer guide, I will say, and I have my conclusion. I don't have FAQ because I disabled FAQs in this case, and as you can see in this conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black stands out as a top choice, so it's also giving some advice to the reader. Again, I would prefer to have some more H3s here between these sections, but it's not too bad. You can generate this kind of articles pretty quickly if you choose good products. If you select the right products, I suppose you can generate really good articles and maybe sell some of these products with your affiliate link with Amazon. Okay, so this is it for this ProductAI video from SurgeGraph. Again, if you want, I have a link in the description. This is the price if you choose this 36-month. Now you are seeing this discounted price here because I suppose the Black Friday deal is still active in this moment when I'm recording this video, but I suppose it's expiring in the next hours. So these are the official prices. If you want to use ProductAI, you need to also purchase these add-ons because it's not included in the normal plan. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I give you the link to my other SurgeGraph videos if you want, and thank you very much for being here. I'll see you soon in the next video.